What is happening here? Smile? No thanks. Is that mold? Girl, you need a shower. All right, guys, it's almost Halloween, spooky season, or as the kids like to call it, spoopy season. We're going to do a critique video slash reaction slash showcasing your guys' work, and the theme will be spoopy. So what I did here is I asked some of my patrons on my Patreon Discord to put in some of their work that is Halloween themed, or, you know, just studies they've done during Inktober, because I admire the dedication that it takes to get through Inktober. So we're gonna showcase that too. Anyways, I had people put in their work here along with their social media handles. So if you guys see anything that you like, give them a follow, show some support. I'd love to be able to help out some of these artists who might not be in as privileged a position as I am in. It makes me feel very good and very warm inside. All right, let's go. Here we go. Anakin turning into a Sith, very scary. You know what's scarier than Anakin turning into a Sith? The way you drew the face here. Pretty good. I'd give that a 4 out of 10 on the spook scale. Ooh. It's nice. To be honest, I would like to see a little bit more like reddish flesh tones in the face, because everything is looking like very muted gray. I would just like it to be a little bit more vibrant, but otherwise, you know, your stylization proportions great. Okay, what in the world? What is happening? I need some context. Remember guys, if you like the work so far, which I don't think is possible, look for the Instagram handle that is being shown on the screen and go give them a follow, because these people definitely deserve the support. You guys are such cop-outs. I said spooky theme and everybody just puts a witch hat on a pretty girl, and I guess I am partially responsible for this because this is all I ever do. Okay, the lighting here is interesting because you chose a rim light, which looks like it's coming from the back, but she's holding the wand in front of her. So I would actually shift that lighting so that it's like hitting her from the front as opposed to hitting her from the back. That didn't come out right. But I like this one a lot. Instagram Bing. Why is your name Bing Bong Oof? Anyways, this is kind of cool actually. I like appreciating Inktober drawings because I personally don't do a lot of ink work. So anytime I see this high contrast black and white finish is just music to my eyes. That didn't make any sense. Jesus. What is that? What is that? You know what I want to know? You know what I want to know? I want to know what kind of demonic force has compelled you to make this drawing, because God damn. I like that. Very good. This is like an 8 out of 10 on the spooky scale, and I don't think I ever want to see this again. That's kind of cool. It's nice, but I think if a sword was like cutting me in half at the torso, I'd be a little bit more spooked than just, I don't know, man. I'm just saying. Just saying. Inktober. Is that mold? Girl, you need a shower. You know, I really appreciate that decorative element in the background that you did with the pen work. It's just, honestly, I admire people who are good with a pen because it's just so unforgiving. One of your OCs, that is your OC? How'd you come up with this, huh? Do you have some like trauma? Is everything okay? Pretty good though. I'm gonna give that like a 7 out of 10 on the spook scale, because I definitely don't want to see her standing over me when I wake up at 3 a.m. at night. I hope I haven't just manifested that by saying it. So if you guys don't hear from me again, she got to me. Sphinx cat? Is that an actual thing? Sphinx? Thought it was like a sphinx? Sphinx or sphinx? Sphinx? It sounds kind of kinky. For a coloring book. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, that's pretty freaky. Honestly, a hairless cat is already scary enough. You know, like just imagine waking up at night, going to the bathroom, and you run into this wrinkly, naked, pink, demonic little creature, and it's like, oh, that's, woo. Wow. The glow in the hair from the light that's coming from the back. My goodness. That's so satisfying. Guys, go follow this person on Instagram. Frick4. Y'all need to work on your Instagram names. I shouldn't be one to talk though. I'm like not even grammatically correct. Okay, listen. So at first I was like, what part of this is spooky? Didn't I say we were doing a spooky theme? Did you not read the requirements? And then I saw the face. That's a face no mother could. Oh wait, is that Tony Stark? Maybe that's why his dad didn't stick around, because he saw that face on his son and he was like, can't do it anymore. I'm out. I'm so sorry. Ooh. I like that. I like that you're experimenting with that bottom up kind of lighting. Abby, this is an environment, and I can see your attempt to make this spooky. But the spookiest thing about this piece is the perspective, what is happening here. So I'm gonna just say this, you did a great job with that 1 point kind of thing where everything's going towards that vanishing point. Everything looks pretty accurate, but the vertical lines, the line on this wall, the line on this wall, you know, it looks like that wall is falling over. I would just like strain that up a little bit. You get what I mean. Again, let me ask you, what part of this is spooky? What part of this is spooky? Actually, now that I've looked into her eyes for more than 2 seconds, I think I'm a little bit unnerved. Are those tentacles? Pigment inks on watercolor paper. Guys, everybody learn from this, okay? If you're gonna be on multiple platforms, make sure that your username, your handle is the same. Don't be different on every platform, because if somebody is a fan of you on Instagram and they're like, oh, let me look up this person on YouTube, and your name is different, they're not gonna be able to find you. This is a beautiful drawing. And the fact that you used pigment ink on watercolor paper, I think is just makes it that much more impressive. I can definitely appreciate all kinds of traditional art because I really just do not personally have the patience for it, but I really admire people who do, and this is beautiful. Not very spooky, 2 out of 10 on the spooky scale, but 10 out of 10 on the art scale. Oh, this is cool. Zombie Kara, that's pretty sick. I love that background with the giant moon in the back too. It just like completely sets the mood, and then the light comes through her white hair and creates this nice bright silhouette here. That's good. That's really good. There's the Instagram. Go take a look. Again, that's a beautiful portrait. I love the way you did the hair. I can tell you learned a thing or two from my tutorials, so good job. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I'm loving this alternate universe Kara kind of thing going on here, and I think you did a really good job with the design of the character. I think a big part of what makes Kara stand out is the fact that she's got this black and white, very high contrast kind of color scheme, and you really rolled with it. You took that black and white color scheme and put it into the entire outfit of the character, and I think that it just works so well. This is great. Chris, that is pretty freaky, I'm not gonna lie. If I saw that in the forest while I'm taking a walk at night, I would just lie down and die. I wouldn't even say a word. Please watch the video till the end. I don't think I want to watch the video. You're gonna scare me or something? No volume, please. Okay, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Oh God, oh God, oh my God. No. Okay, oh my God. That was so good. Oh my God. I don't know about you guys, but mirrors are a little bit scary. Like, just imagine, okay, you get up to pee at night. You look in the mirror, you see a shadowy figure behind you. You turn around, it's not there. And then you look back in the mirror and it gets closer to you. And then you turn around, it's not there. And then you look in the mirror again, it gets even closer right next to you. And you turn around and it's not there. And then you turn back towards the mirror and that figure is standing right in front of you. Hopefully that gives you some nightmares tonight. 10 out of 10, beautiful, well done, nicely done. The line work on some of these skulls is very nice. I like that. You see that hatchy kind of shading to create a little bit of a different value on that surface of the skull, but I'm not sure what's spookier, the skulls surrounding her or did I not say to put down your spooky art? What is that? Oh, that's cute. I like that. I like that flat shading, kind of very stylized, cartoony kind of look. It's almost like a picture book kind of style that you gave to the character. I like it. It's nice. What are you doing? Let me look at your Instagram. Sean, you can draw. Sean, what are you doing with your life? Why did you do this? I like that. That's cool. She's got some magic, but we have a bit of a situation here. So the magic is purple and the light on her face is white. You see the issue here? So when you have a light source, make sure that the light it's casting onto whatever's around it matches the color of the light source. Something good to keep in mind. Oh! That is crazy. This is Kara, but spooky theme. Look at the little pumpkins. Look at the lighting on the candles. Look at Bruce. Oh my God, Bruce. Wow. I could look at this forever. I don't want to click off of it now. 10 out of 10. Beautiful. I can't stop looking at it. My OC has a Squid Game character. Okay, here's the thing, guys. If you want to draw a really spooky expression, just make the eyes really big. Make the entire iris visible on the eyeball and just give your character a slight smile, and the results will speak for itself. Ooh, did you? Oh, you did. You drew one bat and then you just copied and pasted it all over. Guys, work smart, not hard. Learn from our friend here. Oh my God, you even mirrored the background, so you only had to draw half of the background. Even the ears are duplicated. We living in 2021 and she's out here living in 2042. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, that is so unsettling. When you guys go to sleep tonight, just keep this in mind. Okay, that's cute. I love this. And the lighting on the pumpkin coming up onto the hand, that looks really good. You could probably add a bit more of that yellow light onto the hair and the bottom of the chin too, you know, just to make it pop a little bit, but love it. Oh, what in the world? Ah, that's so unsettling. Stop looking at me. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. First of all, this is your Instagram name. Listen, we gotta have a chat about that. That's not okay. Second of all, what is that? What are you? And why is Kara just sitting there? Did you give that thing my haircut? I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10 on the spooky scale. I really don't like that thing. Alright, the spookiest part about this drawing is her hand anatomy. What is happening here? Maisie, explain yourself. What? Did he just bite her? Guys. I said spooky, not kinky. Wait a minute. I love the perspective. You put the camera on the ground and everything's like... And there's this beautiful fat green glowing cat. I love that. Is this from like the point of view of a rat or something that's about to get eaten? That'd be a cool story. Okay, all right. Yeah, that's... What in the world is going on here? What is happening here? Smile? No thanks. And we have the last one. Here's Kara in a witch hat. Look at Bruce's little face. Oh my goodness. So cute. Anyways, there's a quick peek at your guys' spooky Halloween themed work. I love looking at your guys' pieces. It just brings me so much joy to see all the people out there creating art. And I hope for the people watching this video that you got some inspiration out of this, right? Go out there and draw something, just have fun with it. You know, the most important thing with art is so that you're having fun doing it. Look at all my beautiful patrons making these beautiful pieces. That could be you too. Go get them. Just do it. But if you guys like any of their work, please go give them a follow, show them some love. With that being said though, if you want to see more art content like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys on the next video. Oh, my back. Guys, isn't that crazy that it's already October? Like, I've been doing YouTube for a little bit over a year now. Doesn't feel like that long. I still feel like a noob. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know why you watch me. Maybe it's just one of the many questionable life decisions that you make on a daily basis. And also,